Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to create an Instagram business account. The process is very simple and very easy. Open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, you will see your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on this. From here, tap on these three lines which are the top right, and tap on this option settings and privacy. Scroll down, and you will find the option account type and tools. Tap on this. The first option is switch to professional account. If you have your professional account on Instagram, then tap on this option. But if you don't have, then tap on the second option, add a new professional account. Now tap on the option, continue, and do the same with all remaining. Here you have to select your category, like if you are an artist, then select artist, or if you are a musician, then select musician. Simply choose the category for yourself. Which suits you the most? As for me, I will select this digital creator. If you want to show this on your profile, then simply turn on this feature. Then whenever someone visits your profile, then this category will be show on your profile. So it's up to you if you want to turn it on or off. But for me, I will turn it on. After choosing the category, tap on the option done. Here, you have to write your number. You can also use your email address for this purpose. But for me, I will write my mobile phone number after writing. Tap on the option next. Here you have to write your full name. And also the password, so write your full name. After writing your name, type your password. After typing, here is the option. Continue with sync contacts. And on the second number, continue without syncing contacts. Select option. As for me, I will select the second one. Now here, select your date of birth. After selecting your date of birth, tap on the option next. Here, write your username for your Instagram business account. Always write a unique username, because with the help of the username, people can find you more easily. So write a unique username for your business page. For an example, I will write this for my Instagram business page. Remember password. Tap on the option. Okay? Selecting my category, I am a digital creator, so that's why I am selecting second one. After selecting, tap on the option next. Now tap on the option. Okay. Share your audience using Account Center. It's up to you what you will choose. But for now, I will tap on the option Not Now. Set up your professional account. You can set up this by yourself. So for now, I will skip this one. So I am tapping on this cross arrow, which is at the top left. So as you see, your professional business account on Instagram has been created successfully.